everyone, today we will be making healthy caramel sauce. For your ingredients, you will need about a tablespoon of butter or coconut oil, a third of a cup of almond butter. You can also use any kind of nut butter that you wish. A fourth of a cup of maple syrup, preferably grade a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, either one, and a little sprinkle of sea salt. All right, let's head over to the stove. That's what it's called, the stove. Let's go. All right, so I just preheated my pot on about a medium heat, and I'm just gonna add in my butter now. Oh, there we go. Melt that down. All right, now grab your almond butter. I'm just gonna eyeball it here, but it's about a third of a cup that you need. Give or take. I mean, if you want to make more, make more. Give that a little bit of a stir. All right, it's time to add in the maple syrup. About a fourth of a cup. You can add more though if you want to. I'd start off with a little bit less though. Stir it up and then see how you go with that. Also, if you want it to be more runny, add more maple syrup and less of the almond butter. If you start to see that it gets a little bit clumpy and it starts to kind of solidify down at the bottom, just either turn down your heat or you can add a little bit more butter. That'll just help keep all of the oils in the almond butter as opposed to it kind of evaporating out. Make sure you keep it on a medium heat. You don't want this to burn. It will ruin the whole thing, just like if you were to make normal caramel. All right, at this point you want to add in your vanilla paste, just a little smidget. There we go. And then your salt. Just having a pinch here, you don't want to have too much. And just mix that all in. Now I'm going to turn my heat off. As I mix all those ingredients in. And there you have your super quick and super easy healthy caramel alternative. If you're wondering about the macros, I will go ahead and put those in the description for you. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you tried it and tag me in a picture on Instagram to see how you made it and what you can enjoy with it as well. All right, until next time, see you later.